Using the Anacortes app is fun and easy to use. Once you have it downloaded from your app store, you have everything you need to explore and enjoy your island getaway. There are 4 things to remember when using the app. Swipe from right to left to view the different sections of the app. Watch the yellow navigation arrow in the bottom right-hand corner to see when additional pages are available in the section. You can view them by swiping up to learn more about a section. The Table of Contents button in the bottom left-hand corner is available on every page and allows you to navigate to any section of the app at any time. Watch for anything in blue. These indicate something that you can interact with, from swiping and sliding to tapping. Enjoy your time exploring the Anacortes app, and we look forward to seeing you on your island getaway.